Welcome to Tel Dan Nature Reserve. Dan Forest is one of the greenest forests in Israel. That is mostly due to the melting snow from Mount Hermon. And as a result, large quantities of water pass at Dan Stream, the largest and the most important source of the Jordan River, and makes this nature reserve luscious green. Salamanders and rare invertebrates live in a chilly water canopied by a moist forest unique in Israel of northern trees Syrian ash, Fraxinus syriaca, and bay laurel. In Arabic, the spring is called Ain el Dan, Spring of Dan, and at the Tel archaeological mound beside it is known as Tel el Kadi, the Judge's Mound. There are grounds for assuming that these names are preserved from earlier times. Wading pool, a shallow pool that is part of the hiking trail, an excellent place to get your feet wet in the cool and refreshing waters of the pool. An accessible path for people with difficulty walking reaches this pool. It has recently been expanded and surrounded by a wooden deck and benches, accessible to people with disabilities. The wading pool is the only place in the nature reserve where it is permitted to paddle in the water. Wading is prohibited in other parts of the nature reserve to protect the natural habitat from the water being stirred up from the bed of the river. Of 4,000-year-old stone walls, they are still standing because they had been buried for millennia, only revealed during excavation. One of the largest ancient cities in Israel developed here some 5,000 years ago during the Canaanite period, called Laish or Leshem. The biblical city of Dan, also referred to as Laish or Leshem in antiquity, is mentioned in the books of Joshua and Judges. Joshua chapter 19 verse 47 in New King James Version, and the border of the children of Dan went beyond this, because the children of Dan went up to fight against Leshem and took it. And they struck it with the edge of their sword, took possession of it, and dwelt in it. They called Leshem Dan after the name of Dan, their father.
The tribe of Dan originally settled where is Tel Aviv of today. Up to date called the land of Dan. Okay?
Abraham's Gate, the Canaanite Gate, an ancient gate from the Canaanite period. The gate was made of mud bricks and has been preserved to its full height of 7 meters. Alongside the gate is a paved platform, reminiscent of biblical descriptions, and another gate from the Israelite period. A special protecting canopy covers it in order to prevent future damages to the ancient gate. The reopening of Abraham's Gate is truly one of Israel's most coveted and significant historical treasures. This gate is the same gate that Abraham passed through while he was on his way to save Lot from the Israelites. The people of Israel find this to be a significant historical treasure because of its historical significance. It describes the event that happened in the biblical times throughout the Bible. Abraham's Gate was uncovered in 1979 at Tel Dan in the north. This structure was from the Canaanite period of the Bronze Age. It was built around 1750 BC. The authorities named this archaeological site after Abraham, which is the first patriarch of the Jewish people, because it dates back from the period of Abraham. Excerpts from www.creationwiki.org